If you're looking for cycling tire repair kits, this video is for you. My name is Lily, your personal guide. Welcome to our channel. At any time, you can click the circle in the corner and get more info and real-time deals on your favorite products. Number 1. Buy generic. Watch this video, choose your favorite. Number 2. Buy Btwin. Number 3. Buy BikerZ. For more info and great cycling tire repair kits, just click this circle. Number 4. Buy Gol. Number 5. Buy Lighter House. For more great related products, full details and online deals, just click the circle.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.